Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the two-factor authentication process in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can click on Home, which is on the left-hand side, and click on Settings on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then go to Account. After you go to Account, scroll a bit down and you can see the two-factor authentication. It enables the two-factor authentication when you log into or other web services with Line. Some services require the two-factor authentication to log in. So if you are sure to enable the two-factor authentication process, just go ahead and enable it. And now you will get a SMS on your phone about the 4-digit or 6-digit code. You must enter the code every time you log in using your devices. So you can use this process to make your account extra safe. I'm going to show this process to you once again. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone and click on Home. Then click on Settings on the top right hand side of your screen and go to Account. Scroll a bit down and you can find the two-factor authentication. If this is disabled and you want to enable the two-factor authentication, go ahead and enable it, and there you go. This is how easy it is to enable the two-factor authentication process in Line. You can make your account more safe and secure doing this. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.